How to make X's diet on Android. I'm gonna go to movies. And count those to double check how many are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's what I needed. Now choose Wave Warp. Okay. Angle is 90. Now change to spacing. Now pick the pace. When it says 17, you stop. Now duplicate the effect. Change the angle to regular to 0. Now do this. When it says 90, you stop. Actually, when it says 100, you stop. Actually, when it says 12, you stop. Actually, when it says 13, you stop. Now go to Files. Now rename this file to Audio. Wait, why is it actually looking like that? Oh, that's because I have to copy it. Okay, let's copy it. Rename this back to video. Name it MP4. Let me double check. Okay, now I need to copy it. to MP3. Oh, double check. Now go to music speed changer. Oh.
Hold on.
Oh. Oh. Effects. Okay. Now let's go to Pinkfong logo. Now go here. Turn this on. Do this, 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 do this. Now go to pitch and tempo. Speed. Oh. Now save edited track. Now go back to Vegas Pro. Now turn off the sound. Now add audio. That. Okay, that. Now this is the result. Oh, no. Okay. Then press plus to add overlay. To add overlay of that video, press media. Now go to watermark. Now press NBFX. Now go to effects. Oh. Now go to effects, chroma key. Let's get that back over here. Alright, now do this. No. Oh, no, too long. Alright, now this is the result. Now save. Now preview it on where it says share and save. Let's save it. Now go to YouTube. Okay, now press plus to add video. Then press manage. Select more media. Now get the effects is X's diet. Where the watermark says MBFX. Huh? Okay guys, I gotta pause this because I gotta ask mommy because she's asking what time it is. It's 8:25. Okay. That says MBFX. Press next. Now type in, guys, guess what? I don't have to use the microphone anymore. I get to use the keyboard. Okay, type in Pinkfong logo is diet. Pinkfong logo is diet.
Diet.
Now,
I love you.
huh?
I love you.
I love you too, Mom.
Yeah.
All right, bye, guys.